One of the things I really miss is that, ano ako sa tao, talagang lumalapit ako di mo mapigilan yung pumapasok ako doon. Sabi mo, matay ka? Patay. Ang tao na mamatay, araw-araw may namatay. Why would you worry about dying? But, buti sana kung may wala pa. You are disturbing the eyesight. Sige katawa niya. That's about it. Yun lang ang masabi. And of course, with my